Hello, friends. Very good morning. Hope you all are well. Definitely, the time we are utilizing to boost our hidden potential, and that is need requirement for humanity. Everything is going to be fine in near future. No issue. The point of discussion for today is SWOT analysis. We may be familiar with this particular term, but sometimes misinterpreted it. So I just want to clarify what actually SWOT is. In short, S is for strength, W is for weakness, O is for opportunity, and T is for threat. In these four terms, two strength and weaknesses are internal forms. Many times when we prefer to ask with the students that say something about your strength and weakness, they mean to say that my parents, my family, my friends are my strength. And then if something is not happening good outside, then it due to which the things will raises are my weaknesses, right? So English speaking is my weakness, such type of things they prefer to commit or submit. So I just want to clarify here is this, that strength and weaknesses are totally internal forms, while opportunity and threat depends on the external forms. Strength may be your dedication, strength may be your mutual understanding, strength may be your nature which you submit in front of others. Those positive things which you are having, which are your inborn things and which you had developed from the skilled forms, those all things are your strength. So do not relate those things in the different manner. Similarly, weaknesses are your lack of confidence, maybe hesitation. There are so many weaknesses, those all things should be also internal. Anyhow, if people prefer to say work on your strength, work on your weaknesses, then definitely it means to say that you have to uplift your strength and you have to overcome with your weaknesses which you are having. Those things are not being related with outer sources. Where the outer sources works, if you got an opportunity, definitely it's our moral responsibility that whenever we got any particular opportunity, we must utilize those opportunities. Though I am from and I am a family member of Sage Group, where the preference thing is being told by our CMD sir, engineer Sanjeev Agrawal, that whenever you are getting any opportunity, if you are getting an opportunity to sit in front of others, then also you have to avail such opportunity, because this small task are going to frame your full personality. If you're trying to say that what happens if I may be sitting at backside, or if I have to sit in front, no, it matters definitely according to sir, and even I feel the same thing, that these all small things automatically, and it is a definite fact of life that these all things boost our personality. So whatever the opportunity, if you're realizing the small things also, you have to work on those all things, and you have to realize that if I am getting this small opportunity, I have to avail it, and I have to formulate it in proper direction and should go on. So those opportunities should be utilized, and that is the need required thing. And I always prefer to say, whenever you get a chance to speak, you must learn to speak. Speaking is the best form of utilizing the opportunities. Unless and until you are not going to submit your point of views in front of others, how people are going to realize what you mean to say, or what informations and knowledge you are having? Everything depends on your wit. Utilize it according to the situation. The last term is fear. Definitely, Due to weaknesses, the internal weaknesses, we find the outer world in a form of threat. If we are having poor confidence, if we just prefer to feel hesitated about, and if we do not have proper knowledge and content of our subject, and definitely you are increasing your weaknesses, and such weaknesses are the cause of outer source, that is threat. Through your strength you can avail the opportunities, and definitely due to weaknesses you may find the surroundings with the threat forms. So we have to be optimistic, we have to be positive, like a sage, like a temperament of sage. You have to feel out in this manner that life is just to utilize each and every moment, and we have to uplift, be we have to boost our hidden potential. We must increase, we must work on our strength, and should get rid of all weaknesses. Definitely, my dear friends, in such a situation, outer world and outer sources will very less affect your personality. That is the blessings, that is the preaching, and that is the grace of Almighty, that we can understand what is right and what is wrong for our life. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice life ahead. Thank you very much.